Hey everyone, this is Lisa with WTI. If you're looking for that special gift for that special someone, let me show you this beautiful gift box I got. This gift box by Prominent Deal will make anybody feel loved and special. I really appreciate the 12 pieces it comes with. They're all great quality. I love this silk sleep eye mask. It's super soft and gentle, and the fuzzy socks are made out of great material. You can feel the quality right away. I also appreciate this soy blend candle that smells delicious. This is perfect if you are recovering from any surgery, from any illness. You can just take the time to relax at home. It even comes with this beautiful throw blanket. Something I truly appreciate about this gift box and that makes it very unique is that each item has its purpose and it has a very positive and loving message. Having this gift box will definitely put a smile on your face. You're going to see that it's beautifully packaged. I love the very positive sign, and I really appreciate all the thought that was put into this. Prominent Deal really exceeded my expectation. These 12 pieces are high quality. They're all very useful. You can either choose to even use it as a luxury spa day or just as a sweet and loving recovering gift. This gift box will make anybody feel special, and that is my point of view.